Hi guys, this is Kim with Kim Tutorials and More. I was doing my previous videos in Spanish, but this one today I'm going to do in English. I'm going to do how to do your contour. I've had a lot of friends asking me to do this video. They don't know how to do the contour. So today I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it. I already did my eyebrows and my eyelashes only because this is going to be a contour video only. So if you don't know how to do your makeup at all, if you don't know where to start, don't worry. I will do another video about that. But today I'm going to do the contour, and with very economic makeup. It's not going to be, you know, something expensive that if you don't have makeup that you're going to go and spend yourself a lot of money. If it's going to be the first time that you're going to actually try it out, it's going to be economic makeup and very good makeup. So first, I'm going to put my primer on. As should you get yourself a good primer. You know, there are good primers out there that are not very expensive and are very, very good. And it all depends on your face. I mean, the primer is always going to help you. You know, it's always going to be good to put a primer on before your makeup. That way your face is smooth and all the imperfections are softened. Like me, that I have very open pores, I always need to use a really good primer that's going to help me with my pores, like a pore minimizer. So the Pro Conceal I'm going to use today is going to be from LA Girl. These two right here. The brown one that I'm going to use is called Beautiful Bronze. And then the Pro Conceal is going to be called, it's called Porcelain. Pro Concealer. So I usually apply the brown one on my cheek going up, making sure it's halfway up and not like a straight line. It's going to be like, you know, like tracing your cheeks upward. I also like to put it down here. There you go. And on the side. Top of the head. I like to trace my nose. Just very thin. You see? Very thin. That way you make it look really, really thin. Every nose is going to be different. So maybe the way I'm doing my nose right now is not going to be the same as yours. But you can figure that out on your own slowly, you know, doing the lines and then seeing where you like it better, where it looks better. There's also other videos that you could watch. So mine, I like to do it like this. Exactly like this. All of this is a contour. It's gonna help out so much, especially in pictures. You know, when you take pictures, you're always like, why do I always look like a circle? I know that's me. If I don't do the contour, I feel like I look like a circle. And my friends don't understand. They're like, what do you mean? You look like a circle. I look like a circle. It's just the contour helps so much to do all your bone structures, you know, so we could mark them very well. That way in the pictures, you don't look like a circle. You look like a person. Okay, so this is where the contour is gonna go on your jawline, on your nose, on your cheekbone, and on all this part right here. This part that I put is extra. It's gonna help your lips look a little bigger. It's gonna give them a boost, like a lift. So I'm gonna use my little sponge, and I use the thin part to make sure you do not hide it all, like do not dissolve it 100%, okay? Because then what's the point of doing the contour? Make sure that you blend very well with your blending sponge, very well, but do not take it all the way. Remember that, do not take it all the way. Just blend, blend, blend upward. Make sure you can still see the line, but that it's not super dark, you know what I mean? Blend on top of the lips, and you can tell right away how it gives you like a little plump to your lips, you know? It picks them up. And of course, you're not gonna look like a circle, like I said. Just try to be very careful with the nose part. Make sure that it's very thin. You know, that's the point of the contour on the nose. Also, upward on the cheeks. After that, you're gonna put your concealer. Make sure it's down on your nose, on your lips, and on top of your lips, you know. And just some little lines on your forehead. You could do whatever you want. And on my chin, I have very dark spots on my chin since I had a lot of blackheads and I would constantly take them off. My chin is darker than my face, you know, so I always add concealer on my chin. So wherever you have dark spots, make sure that you put concealer on it. It's gonna help it a lot. And the brush that I'm using, it's for concealer or for foundation. It's not just like a regular brush that you're gonna use powder. It's a special brush for concealer or foundation. And just go upwards on your lips. And make sure you blend it very well. Very well under your eyes. Make sure that you don't leave it like blotchy, you know, like that it looks like you put tons of foundation on it or concealer. Faster, 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 faster. On top of your eyebrows. I usually do all my videos inside my room. Today I did them on my bathroom. I feel like the lighting is much better in here. So I put another concealer on top of the one that I already had, only because the concealer that I first put on is very white and this one has a little bit more of a yellow tone to it. So I just put it on top. You can do that if you want also, or if you choose to do, you know, to stay with the first concealer, it's fine also. However you feel better. And then on the top, once you're finished, you know, diminishing all of your foundation, you're gonna apply like a tan on top of all the contour that you already put. So right now I'm applying just a normal golden bronze tan, or you can do a contour one. They have like palettes with the contour things, And there's different shades of brown. You could just use that also. And do it upward on all the line. Everywhere that you just did the contour, you're just going to apply more on the top, but this time it's going to be like powder. And I know it looks like super brown. Do not be afraid to use a dark one, because when you put the powder on the top, you're not going to be able to see it so much. So if you're afraid and you're like, you know, taking it off because you think it's super brown, no, don't do that, because you might take it all off once you put the powder and you're not going to be able to see it. So on your nose, I'm going to use a thin brush that I used for the foundation. You could use the same one. Mine is super thin, so that's why I'm using this one. I'm just tracing it again. Under the nose. And then I am going to apply my powder. Fast. I'm kidding. Okay, so you apply your powder on top of all your face. Make sure that you do not press very hard on it, because you might take off the contour. Just very lightly, you know, put the powder all over your face. Very lightly. It looks like I'm doing it super hard because I forward this super fast, but I'm not. Also, girls, do not forget to put your powder on your neck also. I've seen a lot of girls that don't put the powder on their neck or their foundation, and then their neck and their face are not the same shade of color. Make sure that you put it on your neck also. And then you apply a little bit of the bronze or the tan on your cheeks like I did right now. Just a little bit on the top. Right now I'm applying just a little bit on my neck also. On the forehead just a little bit. Because like I said, when you apply your powder, you might have taken it all off. Now I'm gonna just do the full makeup just a little bit. That way you can, you know, see the way I finish off my makeup. I put my blush on top of the contour. So do not worry, you can still put your blush on top of the contour. But you're gonna see how you can see like my cheekbones are very marked. And then I'm putting on my highlighter just on top of where I applied the blush, on the cheekbone. Just a very thin line on the cheekbone. You can see how the light hits it, and it looks really, really beautiful, really pretty. Muy bonito. I'm trying to get the light really good to shine on it. And then I apply the same highlighter on the tip of my nose and then all the way going up. And then on the pout of my lips. It looks sexy, it looks bigger, it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, what the heck is wrong with my lip gloss? Okay, so I'm applying my Dior lip volumizer. It's really nice. It plumps your lips and it tingles. Super, super good. And then I'm just gonna do a light eyeshadow, just super fast. It's like an orange tan. Just so you could see how I finished my makeup off. And I love the way this looks, the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to apply a darker one, like a dark brown gold, just on the side, halfway to the side. makes the eyes look, it makes them look very, very pretty, and it stands out, especially when you have eyelashes on. And ta-ta, we are done. Well, there you see, that was the contour, and I just finished off my makeup with something light on my eyes and just a normal clear lip gloss. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching Kim Tutorials and more. Thank you.